This is Nvidia. It's in a very broad channel. It's bouncing off the bottom of the channel. Your most traded volume is 120.5, and you're nowhere near it. I'm disenchanted, obviously, with Nvidia's performance. It was supposed to hold. For me to be really excited about Nvidia, it needed to hold 120.5. It didn't. Now you're dealing with a very dangerous situation. Your gamma exposure level is 100, sorry, to the downside, and 150 to the upside, with a point of control on this entire move around 120. So it's overhead supply galore, and I expect the selling to continue. I think we're going to see $89 in this one, so I'm not super excited about it. Tesla, I'm just using an hourly chart here. So Tesla, we called so this is your most traded volume in this, earlier July to August, or July to October, the reaccumulative structure. And we were very bullish. Tesla, yesterday we bought the open, and now you have a higher pivot low on the hourly. Okay, so I expect Tesla to go to 270 in the next couple of days. It's okay, it's all right, I guess. On Tesla, yeah, so your upside gamma level is 270. It'll probably go there. The problem with this market is, if you're a skilled day trader, you can make a lot of money. If you're holding positions overnight, I feel like those car dealership sock puppets, the wind puppets, they like flop around. You guys want to know what I'm talking about? I think. Okay, so I just feel like a sock puppet with a lot of overnight positions, because you're at the mercy of some European prime minister or central banker or Trump's cousins, nephews, brothers, sisters, someone just making some comment and riling the market up. You're really at the mercy of geopolitical and macroeconomic winds like I've never seen before, or I haven't seen in a long time, and it makes me uncomfortable. The opportunities are everywhere. AVGO, Qualcomm, Carvana. We called all these this morning. Doximity was a mover for a while, and then I love the quantum names, right? IONQ on the hourly is making statements. Okay, it's kicking ass and taking names. You're snapping back off the bottom of a channel with igniting volume here. I mean, do I think these names merit any serious attention as an investor? No, it's all garbage. RGTI snapping back. I'm looking for a move back, 20-30% move in a lot of these names. QUBT, and again, it's more garbage, but it's gonna give you a nice short covering pop here. Qualcomm was beautiful this morning. We're all about the Qualcomm. Robinhood, potentially you can see a move back to $46-47, but several things need to happen. The triple Qs, they really need to take out $483.50, $44, and then you've got a little spaghetti on my charts. I need to clean these up, but yeah, you could see rooms back to 500 potentially. Spiders, I'm less excited about the S&P 500. This pivot low, higher pivot low, wasn't exactly much to write home about. So we need a higher pivot low on a pullback. We need to hold 565, and then fill this gap here. So do we have room to 575, 577.50? Absolutely, but my money would be on the Nasdaq.